Hello, everybody. It's John Williams here, Mr. Roger Lloyd from the Carpet Cleaning World University with our latest episode of the Carpet Cleaner Show with John and Roger. Last week, we were talking about hacks, tips, advice on upselling, how to turn those 2-3 room jobs that you're booking into $800 jobs and things like that. And Roger dropped some amazing value bombs, gave us some great advice that hopefully all the viewers took on board and you're all out there now making a bunch of money. I'll let Roger take over from here. He's the mastermind, the guru, the man with all the years of experience in the carpet cleaning industry, and he's going to reveal right now and give you some guys some great advice and hints and tips.
So I already know like I was getting ready to say, when you schedule me a job for $167, I already know in my mind, I'm going to upgrade them at least carpet protector. But what I do is some guys just automatically use their CRB, which is their counter rotating brush machine that does the agitation in the carpet. Some guys just automatically add that in for free. I don't understand. These machines start at $1,800 a piece. This wasn't something you were doing originally before CRB machines came out. So what I do is I let my clients know, and I need everyone to listen to this. Ma'am, thank you very much for giving BioClean the opportunity to clean for you today. Now, you called on our steam cleaning special. You will agree to that. And then I always nod my head because then they start nodding theirs. That's just a thing. But anyway, they do. And so the lady said, yeah, I think I did. Well, ma'am, I just want you to know there's two types of cleanings now. There's steam cleaning and there's restorative cleaning. Restorative cleaning is when I bring this other machine in and I scrub the carpet completely and I get up all the pet dander, if there's any, or any ground in dirt, and it sucks it up before I even do the steam cleaning process. So when I do the steam cleaning process, I don't have to worry about putting too much water down to get the cleaning done because all the yuck has been pulled out before we even started. So it becomes a smooth sanitizing process to get your carpets back in order for you as soon as possible. Now, you getting 5 rooms done today. So that's already at, I don't know, $253, whatever my price would be. And so if you want to add, see, you always have it figured out in your mind what the price is going to be. See, this is about having a business plan again, because you have everything worked out. My upgrade, as you might say, upsell, my upgrade process is so smooth, and I'm not bragging. Look at my record and my CRM system about our upgrades. And so what I'm saying that is, when I tell the lady about adding the CRB, I let her know it would be an additional $125 and it would be $482 total. Now, are you in agreement with that? See, I did all the math for her. I explained to her how restorative carpet cleaning is what she wants, but she called in on a special. See, as long as you have that, this is where AGB comes in and we work so perfect. Oh, no, ma'am. That's the special today. I'll be happy to do that for you. But I'm just looking at your carpet. I'm telling you what I recommend. Then you shut up. The next person that speaks loses between you and the customer. Because, see, she's not going to want to feel dirty. She's not going to want to feel like she's letting it go. So there's only option is, does she have the money at this time to pay me or not? And see, that's all on your customer. That'll never be on you. It never will be. So that's how. So first thing I do is I try to sell my CRB for the extra. Well, where I got $125 from, I charge $25 extra per room. So if they got your 3 rooms, John, it would only be $75 if she only had 3 rooms off the special you had. But that's $75 more. And then the carpet protector, the complete guard, is always half of the total price. So if it was the 5 rooms and she got the $125 add-on with the CRB to clean, to protect that with carpet protector would be what, $250 additional dollars just to spray this on the carpet? Are you kidding me? That is how you get $500, $600 jobs if you're working with me. That's how you get $800 jobs and things like that, because she might have a whole sectional and a lazy boy, and it just adds up. But you get the carpet protector, you sell your agitation machine, which is your CRB. Stop giving it away. Stop giving it away. You paid good money for this equipment. Let it earn you. Stop saying, I feel dirty inside if I charge them extra. Well, you know what? Maybe you should smell a little bit. Maybe you should stink just a little bit, because it's not a bad thing to sell quality. If you don't believe your CRB machine brings quality to your customer, then stay where you're at. But the name of this is business. You want to grow your business. I don't understand. You can't come back at John or AGB and say, oh, well, I got the leads, but they didn't work. And I love when John or people say, well, I got the leads, but they didn't work. Wait, let's break that down. When you say you got the lead and it didn't work, so they filled out everything that you needed them to fill out. Yes. Did you respond to them? Oh, yeah, I responded. Of course I did. Great. Where did it leave off? Oh, I told her a price and that was it, and I'm waiting for her to get back to me. That's where you messed up. That's the first place you messed up. If you give someone a price, just don't leave it open-ended. If you're on the phone with someone and you didn't have to do it through Messenger, you wouldn't just say, oh, it's 167, have a good day, bye. Because that's what you're doing on Messenger. When you give someone a price, you're giving them a price and you're just walking out the door, or you're just hanging up on them. That's not where it stops. That's not where it ends. You want this person as a customer for our client, as long as you're in business. You want this person to refer you to many of her friends, coworkers, family, colleagues. Like, this is a relationship. This is a marriage when you talk to these leads. It's not that AGB or, for that, any other lead agency didn't do their job. Their job is to produce the people to you that are interested in your service. That's it, and that's all. If you say, oh, well, AGB didn't give me the 40 or 50 leads I'm supposed to get, and then because John has all the paperwork, so they'll be able to see if that's true or not. So if that's the case, then we got a different story. But if you got 40 to 60 leads and you only converted 10 to 12 of them, well, that shows that you need to be in the Carpet Cleaning World University, and you might need to give RLMA Services a phone call, because I'm going to tell you something. If the people put their phone number, their email. See, you got to understand, they took their time. See, that's where you get it wrong. It's their time that they took to put in their phone number, to put in their email. So let me tell you something. If I got somebody's phone number and email, they want to do business with me because they're giving you their personal information. And if you don't understand that you really need to work up on your follow-up, then that's where the problem is. It's not AGB. It's your follow-up skills. But there's help for that now. Join the Carpet Cleaning World University Facebook group. It's free.
Absolutely. So that's some great advice there. I mean, first of all, we started this call talking about, managing your time. And I think booking people in with that 2-hour window is just an awesome hack and a great piece of advice to allow you to have that little bit more time if needed to get to that next job if you end up doing like a bit more work than you initially planned for. So I think that's an amazing hack. I think that, you continued on then with some advice on actually upgrading clients and stuff like that, which is awesome. And I think it's a great way to phrase it as well, to not upsell, but upgrade them to additional services, which is amazing. And you're absolutely right. You're in business here, guys. It's about selling your services, and it's about making money and providing a quality service for your customers and doing right by them. And if they genuinely have a sofa, or whatever it is that needs cleaning, or additional, stairs, a hallway, or additional services that you can provide that's going to make their home more healthy, more cleaner, then it's up to you to educate them and let them know about that. And this is how you grow your business. This is how you take things to that next level. And if you don't feel comfortable with that, then don't be posting in Roger's group complaining that your business ain't growing and you ain't making no money because you haven't got the balls to ask somebody, hey, do you want me to clean that sofa while I'm here? Right? Like, period, man. Like, you can't be like complaining and shit when you're not prepared to put the effort in yourself to actually go out there and like make more money. And as well, just talking about follow-up and follow-up skills and stuff like that, Roger touched there on working with us. And to be honest with you, I think it doesn't really matter whether you're working with us, whether you're doing your own advertising or marketing, or whether you're working with somebody else. The fact fact remains that to get more customers, you need to advertise your business, whether that's on Google, Facebook, whether it's flyers through the door, billboards on the side of the road, your phone number, whatever. But ultimately, the outcome of all of these things is the same thing. You're going to be generating leads. Somebody's going to go on Google and fill out a form. Somebody's going to message you on Facebook if it's a Facebook thing. Somebody's going to call a number if it's on a flyer. And the onus is on you to answer quickly before the lead goes cold, and to answer correctly and position yourself in the business in the best way possible to extract as much juice and as much money out of those leads and get as many people scheduled in. And quite often, as Roger pointed out, that's where a lot of people fall down, because they don't have, I guess it all comes down to sales skills, because that's really what it is, right? And when we talk about sales, we talk about it in that bigger picture. When you're doing your advertising, you're selling your services, that's sales, right? Ultimately, whether it's a Facebook ad, whether it's a brochure that somebody like Roger's put together for you, it's all selling, right? It's selling your services. Whether you're speaking to somebody on the phone, whether you're answering somebody on Messenger, whether you're in the home and you're talking to your customers, it's all sales. And I think that's one of the core skills that all business owners in any industry needs to have, sales skills. Because if you can master the art of sales, you will never go hungry ever again, and you'll always have an abundance of money, because you can take those skills and they can be used in any area of your business. If you know how to sell and you've got that skill, then you can put together an ad or a brochure that's going to sell your business. Then you're going to be able to talk to people when you're on the phone, whether you're in person. But the core skill of sales is fundamental. And just to kind of finish up this episode, one of the great things, and I don't know if we've really announced this publicly, probably we'll be doing an email blast to everybody about this, but not only has AGB partnered with the Carpet Cleaning World University and Roger and all of that good stuff, and not only are me and Roger on a mission to really change the industry for the better, to help you guys not just survive but thrive. Not only are we doing that, what we've actually done is we partnered in such a way now that anybody that signs up with us, with AGB, anybody that signs up with us, you are going to get a free 30-minute consultation with this man right here on the screen, Roger Lloyd. 30 years in the carpet cleaning game, the admin, the owner, the founder of Carpet Cleaning World University and the Carpet Cleaning World Facebook group, which has got like 14,000 followers in it. You're going to get a free of charge 30-minute consultation with Roger, and he's going to literally pull the hood up. He's going to pop the hood on all the hacks, cracks to follow up the sales skills that you need to be successful in your business, not only in your own right, but also working with us at AGB. And then moving on from that, you're going to be given an opportunity to work with Roger long term, and he's going to help you, coach you. There's a number of things that this guy Roger has in the pipeline, things like ride-alongs, ongoing coaching, putting together a business plan, all of the things that Roger's been talking about. He can help you with that. So just to kind of finish up, after you've watched this video, if it really resonates with you, if we're really hitting some of the pain points that you guys are struggling with right now, whether that's getting more jobs, getting the phone ringing, not having a business plan, not having sales, or not having any systems in place, if you're struggling with any one of those things or all of those things, I want you to head down to the description below. You can schedule a call with AGB, and then once you signed up with us and we've solved the problem of getting your phone ringing, we are going to schedule you in with Roger for that 30-minute consultation. Further to that, in the description below as well is going to be the link to the Facebook group Carpet Cleaning World University, which you're going to be able to join free of charge. By the way, it's an amazing community full of other business owners, carpet cleaners looking to take their business to that next level. Roger's the boss of that group, and you're going to be able to reach out to him and talk to him and get the necessary support that you need to take things to that next level. Any final words, Roger?
I think you summed it up, John. It all depends on how you go into this. If you go into this with a piece of equipment and you think you're going to just make a ton of money, you're wrong. If you're listening to people that tell you you only need $500, $1,000, $2,000 to start a carpet cleaning business, you're wrong. You can start a carpet cleaning hobby, but you won't start a carpet cleaning business. There's just so many things when you use the word business behind it. Now, if you're just carpet cleaning, then have at it. But if you want to run a single truck operation, a multi-truck operation, you need services like AGB. You need to belong to communities like the Carpet Cleaning World University, not just a carpet cleaning Facebook group, but a university. See, that university is for educational purposes to help you do one thing, grow your business with companies like AGB, Steam Action, HydroMaster, So Daddy, and so many manufacturers and chemists that want to do one thing: see your prosperity grow, grow, and grow. So of course they can keep customers, but the first thing is we got to make you prosperous so we can keep you as a customer. And that's what this is all about. Thank you, John, for another wonderful episode.
No worries, man. And just so everybody knows, the next episode is going to be a live stream from New York City, where I will be with some of the AGB team. We're going to be connecting in with Roger. We've got an awesome show lined up for you there. Just as we've been talking now, had a little light bulb moment. I'm going to share that with Roger after we finish this show. So we'll see you next week, guys. Enjoy your week. Go make some money. Take the advice. Let's crush it. See you later.